12 Futurecast.
A rainy day here with those showers starting early this morning and turning into an all-out soaking rainfall. Over the last few hours, the heavy downpours continue to move across Rhode Island and now into southeastern Massachusetts, indicated by the areas of yellow that you see. Good news here, though, is that we've not had any lightning strikes. We've got our lightning tracker turned on, and this has not turned into any developing thunderstorms. We have had a few gusty winds and certainly enough heavy rainfall to lead to some street and poor drainage flooding, lots of ponding along the roads of 95 and 195. And as we move into the rest of the day today, we'll continue to see some steady rain early here this afternoon, and then it'll wind down a bit. We'll still see isolated showers and thunderstorms later this afternoon and into this evening, along with the potential for some street flooding and wind damage. I do want to go back to the radar just a minute and show you some of the other areas getting some heavy rainfall down along the south coast of Rhode Island. And North Kingstown had a 38-mile-an-hour wind gust earlier, about an hour ago. Fall River along 195, again seeing some torrential downpours. I want to draw your attention back to our west over eastern Pennsylvania. You can see the lightning tracker is finding some thunderstorms here. This is what we're concerned about once this main batch moves through, that there may be some severe weather that develops later on today. And that's again why our threat tracker is going to stay in the medium category. Temperatures have held steady through the morning and now early afternoon, upper 60s to lower 70s. Not much warmer than that, maybe a couple of degrees warmer here as the afternoon goes on. Narragansett's a really tough beach day today, overcast, rainy and cool. And you can find that in Oakland Beach as well. We'll continue to see the widespread rain through about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Some downpours and gusty winds within that. Biggest concern next few hours will be some localized street or poor drainage flooding. Late afternoon through the first part of tonight, we'll be under the watch for some severe thunderstorms. The risk right now looks pretty low, but if they do develop, damaging wind gusts will be one of the main issues. There's also a very small chance that we could spin up a weak tornado. The warm front bringing the steady rain this morning and early this afternoon. It's this approaching cold front, breaks in the cloud cover, allowing for the sun to add to the instability ahead of that front that we're looking at for possibly more showers or a thunderstorm later in the day. So 2 o'clock this afternoon, still dealing with some fairly steady rainfall. That'll continue to slide eastward. Notice the scattered showers, but possibly some embedded thunder for the evening commute and into the first part of tonight before this all winds down. And you can see some clearing for Wednesday morning and Wednesday afternoon. Partly sunny. There is a slight chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm Wednesday afternoon. We're going to continue our slow climb in the temperatures, about 72 at 3 o'clock, mostly cloudy at 5 this evening, 74 with a lingering shower or thunderstorm. Moderate risk for rip currents along our coastline today, and there is a small craft advisory in effect on Narragansett Bay. It's been poor visibility. Those winds have been picking up through the day. High tide at 6:34 this afternoon. So we'll end up with between 1 and possibly as much as 2 inches of rainfall by the time this all winds down. Most of us, especially if we don't catch any additional thunderstorms in the later part of the afternoon or evening, will end up closer to 1 inch of rain. Tomorrow, just an isolated thunderstorm or shower in the late afternoon. Higher risk will be north and west of Providence. Thursday looks dry, comfortable.